Matthew 13 verse 16. But blessed are your eyes, for they see, and your ears, for they hear. That's the message of the Lord for you today, that He wants you to keep on looking to Him, and that your eyes are His eyes, and blessed is your eyes, for you see the goodness of God, and you see the great things of God. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you all.